The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall.
Me not have nothing to do with that. Two of them come here. Me not have nothing to do with them. They come with them excitement.
I want my money. My best my youth, they got showing me this. Just give me a fuck. Put a big empty condom for my wood. I can't mail. I'm really serious about this. Me, he got hide the money, jump around the sand, and go and place and stuff.
Hello?
5 grand can't go so.
5 grand can't.
Miss Lol,
pay 2,000, I give 2,000 pay for your room. I'm going to give $1,000 to buy a drink. I'm going to give $5,000. Give me back my money. You're joking to me on the pan your side now. I plan to go. First thing he said to officer and said to me, the lady I'm friend. And from me going there and stop boxing in my job, I know me can't get nothing. I'm boxing. I say, man, I kill me back. I lie down in my bed, man, I box me. I'm not meant to I mean, I look at him and say, you kill me back. The water down in how I know yet we are doing, man, I kill me back in my job. And this is making take on money as a box me, son. A box me, son.
You pay for how you do one box out the hour.
Me give the money.
You one box out the hour when you pay for, so your time will go up.
I'm in India, I say, woman, I'm in. I'm telling you, I can't take this no more. I can't believe man kill me with back. I live with a big can of food and one. Who want back my money, brother? Who want back my money, man? A wicked girl, a wicked thief.
Put on the clothes, we contact you, man.
Put on can of food like me. Take on my money, my best, me give him 2,000 to pay the room, and not give me no change. Me give him 1,000 for buy a condom, and not give me no change. Me give him 5,000. A joke thing that woman a bumble legs the pan.
Yes.
I not give me mind a joke thing she the pan. Like me a food. You may do this some this up. Tell me for joke, my girl. Give me money, me go on my kite. Me bet you no man. If you just give me a little piece, then you just get it. I can't believe girl trick me on camera run and say I get tricked to go. What should I? Boy, me bet, me shame, I can't believe this man do this. My life done, me a big star. My life done to Bumbo God. Me give you 2,000. Me give you 1,000 to buy a condom. No change, I me give you 5 grand. You fuck me and done. You fuck me and done. You say I pussy yourself. You fuck me and done. Yeah, you want to do that?
You're lucky I never done it. I never done it.
You come with you guys and we go to somebody at tea. You're not doing no business at tea. Make you 2,000 to pay for you and you're not giving no tea. Make you 1,000 to buy the can, you're not giving no tea. Make you 5,000 to pass me to them. No man, see you man, I'm a call you man, say when I kill me back, see you win that day. I'm a call you one, you laugh my God, I'm not take this now. I tell you, I'm not take it now. My face on me is a bus with my money. If you ain't not giving a pussy, you just tell me, say you're not fuck my bed, you take my money man. Oh, what are they? Alright, but Kale, can you mention why you have to burn? I have to start big man. That's the way you would when I do with the youth. Class tomorrow, so I need class tomorrow. And we want to class tomorrow, Kenneth, and class and my cousin. First tomorrow, we are police and state. Come on, I don't lie, we don't get trouble. Come on, it's
Why are you moving bomb box, lad?
You know, that's it.
I don't want to give them money, no man. Jesus, it's serious.
But I don't want fancy up with a hand.
If him a fuck me, you tell me if him a fuck me, no, me take me quick.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, so this video we see right about now is out there on social media, quite very far out there, and it shows up a man that says that he had paid, right? I would say that it is prostitution, you know, he had done something with another lady where money was exchanged for sex. It is said that he should have gotten the sex, but he did not, but instead he's now complaining that instead of he got what he paid for, he got boxed and all these things. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to understand something. Firstly, I respect every man out there that would never raise them hand on a lady. I have to respect that. A man that would chill and leave certain things alone, you have to respect that. I am going to point out something right about now, viewers and subscribers, and bear in mind that you cannot just totally judge a video due to the fact of what you see on the video at that time, because you don't know what happened before all of this video was being done and shown. You get what I'm saying to you? So you can't just totally judge off of the video. This is something that needs to be pointed out there. Whether man or woman, it doesn't matter what sex you are of. Do not take people's money for the exchange of goods and services that you know within yourself that you cannot or will not or could not or won't deliver. You get what I'm saying to you? It is not right. Point blank, it is not right. And if it is at any fault that you cannot deliver, the money should be returned, because you don't know who you're dealing with. Some people out there might have an unstable mind, and some things might turn out the wrong way that you wouldn't expect it to turn out that way. Right? Now, if you disagree with me, I understand, but this is just my opinion, and I wish nothing but the best for everyone. That when I say don't take people's money for goods or service that you know you cannot perform or deliver. You get what I'm saying, dear viewers and subscribers? Alright, and when I said that now, I am not saying this in support of prostitution either, you know. And I'm not saying this of disrespecting anyone from out of this video, you know. But this video really and truly bring forth something that needs to be understood. You get me? It is in somewhat of an example, you see me? But with what is being shown that is done in this video, it is known as something that is illegal. So therefore it is not something that is totally all good. I want to make sure that I point out that prostitution is illegal. Zit, I am not sure if everyone really understands that, because I get the understanding or an idea that a lot of people think it is legal because of how it is being done at certain locations throughout Jamaica and even in the world as well, where police officers sometimes don't even bother to carry them in or give them any problem. However, prostitution is illegal. And I want to point out that, you know, in certain cases, people need to have more value about themselves, right? When I say about themselves, meaning that this is for an example now. A man work his money and he feels like he needs some form of human contact. So what him do now, he takes his money, he probably go to a strip club or at a certain location where he would pay for a certain thing or indulge in something that is known as prostitution. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm saying this because I want people to have more value about themselves. You get what I'm saying to you? I'm not talking generally everyone, but there are some people out there that don't think of certain consequences or what is the value or what is going to happen when they find themselves involved in certain activities. Alright? So viewers and subscribers, I am not disrespecting anyone. I mean, everyone has a life to live and they must know their situation as to why they do certain things. But if it could be possible, it would be best to have value of ourselves. Alright? So viewers and subscribers, there you have it. A man that was kicked out of a place, right, where a woman he paid for certain goods and services, did not get it. However, instead he seems to have gotten boxed. That is what he has says. That is what I said on social media, and I'm presenting it to you. Alright, so I'll make you know what I go on, and as always, just let me know what you think about something like this. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla!
Hear me now?
Hey yo, Skilla!
You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.